What's up, guys? Pro angler Garrett Paquette here. Exciting day. I'm on a new lake. I've never been here. I've only heard of this lake until, or I haven't heard of this lake until like 2 days ago, Lake Trafford here in Florida. But I'm gonna walk you guys through what I like to do when I come somewhere new, and maybe to help you guys catch some fish whenever you're in the same situation. So for one, if I know I'm going somewhere in advance, my preparation is going to start at home. I'm gonna get on Google Maps. I'm gonna get on the Humminbird Fish Smart app. I'm gonna try to look at that lake, try to get some ideas in my head of where I'd like to fish, where I wanna spend my time. Maybe I'll Google tournament results or something about past results where I can see what lures worked, what areas of the lake are good. I'll try to find that. Of course, a lot of our lakes are small and they're not gonna have that, but if you do have that advantage on the lake you're going to, why not use it? A lot of times when I come to a new lake, I'll use my Humminbird units. I'll spend a lot of time behind my driving wheel, using my side imaging, my down imaging, my Lake Master mapping. These are my eyes under the water, these transducers. It allows me to see a lot. So I will typically, especially when trying to fish off the bank, I'm gonna spend a lot of time staring at my graphs. It can be monotonous at times, but it pays off when you finally found that spot you're looking for. And then I'll get out here like we are right now, and I'll just start sampling things. Like for example, I'm in Florida. I know the water's in the 60s. The fish are gonna wanna be shallow and spawning. So I'm gonna get into areas where I think they're spawning. You look behind me, you got cattails, you got round reeds, and I'm just gonna sample things. I'm not gonna spend hours doing one thing, but I'm gonna try to do different things to get a bite. So I'm gonna fish these reeds for 5 minutes. I'm gonna go over here and go through this patch of cattails. And all I'm doing is I'm trying to get a hint. I'm trying to get a bite. I'm trying to see a sign of life. And then hopefully I can turn that into more. So if I get bit on this cattail up here, I'll look around and say, hey, there's some more over there. And I'll go do that, and hopefully I can duplicate that success. That's what it's all about. But when you come somewhere, it's good to have an idea, but you don't wanna be just stuck in on one thing. Hey, I'm gonna go do this, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this. You wanna be open-minded and just try new things, try different baits until you start having success, and then roll with it. Then start, dialing in on that exact pattern that you're noticing, that bait that's working, and then exploit the lake and start catching more fish. Okay guys, so here's an example going to a new lake. It would take me a long time to fish through all of this stuff and be thorough with it. And I'm not trying to be thorough right now. I'm just trying to have high percentage targets, things that are irregularities within the lake. So I look out here, I see a little patch of cattails also with here. There's a point of cattails up here. That's what you should be fishing. You shouldn't be spending your time trying to pick apart every single square inch of the lake when you don't know where the fish are. Come into an area, hit high percentage targets of whatever you're fishing, and go from there. Because the fish in the most cases are gonna be in those. Not to say you're not gonna get bit throughout everything, but to establish your pattern, hit the high percentage things and keep moving. Cover water fast. That's the way to find fish in a more efficient manner. What's up guys? Thank you for watching this video. Here at PartsVu, we are very passionate about the boating lifestyle. If you wanna see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out PartsVu.com for all your boating needs. We'll catch you next time.